Hello, welcome to this tutorial where I'll be showing you how to share files from Google Drive. It's relatively simple, but when you first do it, it can be quite complicated, especially with all the different menus and drop-downs. So we're going to try and simplify things a little bit here. First things first, you can access the share menu from your file by right-clicking and then just going to share. And if it comes up, there we go. You can also just left click once, and on the right here it's going to show you all the details and you can manage access. And if you want to access the share on multiple files, you can click on one, hold shift and then click on another, and then right click share, and there we go, got both files there. But we're going to keep things simple and we're just going to go for one. Okay then, so there's two sections here. We've got people with access and then we've got general access. And both of these two things are good for different purposes. People with access is generally the way you want to go if you're using a more private file, something you're doing with clients, something you're doing with your business, or a collaboration with different artists, that kind of thing. This is perfect because you can add people in by searching their email address at the top. This will create like a list of people. At the moment there's just me in there, but eventually you'll have lots of different people and you'll be able to change their access level, basically, sort of like an admin. So you'll be able to say, well, this person can view this file, but this person can edit this file, and that kind of thing, which can be really helpful, especially if you're running a business, that kind of thing. Down here we've got general access, which works much more like how you're probably familiar, which is just where you generate a link, you send it to someone, they download it. But even with this, there's also lots of settings you have to watch out for. For example, it's set to restricted usually by default, and this means that only people with access can open with the link, which means that even if people sent you the link, even if you send someone the link with this, they're still not going to be able to access it unless they're on this list up here. So the way that you counteract this is you just change it to anyone with the link, and then on the right here you can change the roles, which is what I was talking about before with the hierarchy of access. If they're a viewer, then they're just going to be able to view the file. If they're a commenter, you can leave comments on it, which is great for collaboration, that kind of thing. But only an editor can actually change the file itself. So if you've got work that you've been working on, you definitely don't want anyone to change anything, don't click that option. The other thing, final thing, is you can come up here to the settings and you can actually change what editors get access to and what viewers get access to. So if you want viewers to not be able to download or print or copy, you're going to want to untick this. Similarly, if you want editors not to be able to change permissions and share the links and all that kind of stuff, basically if you don't want them to have access to this, if only you want access to this, then you can unclick that as well. Be aware that with the link, anyone on the internet with the link can view it, so people can copy it, reshare it with someone else. So it's definitely not secure through this way. But if it's something you just want to share with someone and you're not bothered, then it's great. It's very quick and easy. Just copy the link, paste it to your friend, and you're good to go. Make sure this is on the correct setting so that they can use it. And yeah, that's brilliant. So yeah, so that's everything. Thanks very much. If you have any questions or if your journey you run into any other problems, please leave a comment, let me know. And thanks very much.